Whatever interstate I'm on. This guy told me pull over. I don't think he's pulling over.
Where it is fine.
Okay, we can go in this lane because we don't have to go to the house.
Whoa! Where did they, what were they doing?
Hey, we're okay.
He turns in front of you, he's ass. Call police. Call police right now. Call police before she moves it.
Whoa! Jesus!
Video.
guy tried to run me off the road. Yeah. Bitch.
First got together, started hanging out. Was skeptical at first, had to figure out it. I was the kind of guy that tried to dog you out. I ain't the kind of guy you try to make me out. Found out, put the turn to my page. I showed them apple purpose how to treat a maid.
I saw cheer in this jacket. I learned how to run. I learned how to run, jump. I learned how to...
What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh my gosh. Stop! Gosh, what's your problem?
Whoa! Jesus Christ! Crazy.
What?
Hey Garmin. Okay, Garmin. Save video.
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe, and share it so that more people discover it.